There's Fritz. Say hi to him.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, he survived. You survived Thanksgiving, but will you survive Christmas? That is the big question.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Watch him chase the truck now. Yeah, see, watch him. Is he coming?
Yeah, a little bit.
Usually when I stop and say hi, he'll chase us.
Yeah, his feathers started getting fluffled.
He'll chase us for a while. We got the porch beams going. Nice and sturdy. 11 7/8 LVLs. Check the spans on them, they do fine. They look, they're only like 10'9", something like that. What?
Tony, la gente está muy loca.
I'm doing my job, keeping the fire going. That's about 300 pounds. This was what I was afraid of. That's why I didn't want you. That's why I wanted to get a crane. I tried to get him a crane. You heard me on talking to the crane guy. He couldn't get here till after lunch, and Paco was like, "Nah, we're moving on, man." And these are attic trusses, so they got 2x6 top and bottom cords, so they're not lightweight. They're probably a couple 100 pounds a piece. I wish you had at least 2 walkboards to put side by side. Someone peeing on the toilet. I thought somebody was peeing on the toilet seat. Look at that. Dang it. I'm gonna get VD. Is that Erwin peeing on the toilet seat? Is that you?
My uncle was the last one in there.
No, are you peeing on the toilet seat?
Nah, go ask my uncle. He was the last one in there.
Paco, Noah said you were the last one in the toilet. Porta potty. Are you peeing on the toilet seat?
Yeah, because I eat chicken nuggets yesterday.
You're gonna need more than chicken nuggets to get these trusses up there. The first truss goes up. That is the gable end truss that has the studs or the framing for the siding on the ends.
Hey, did you see what happened in Collegedale, Noah? A train hit one of those big old concrete.
Where did you go, Gabe?
Vete para allá, media pulgada. Media pulgada. Media pulgada para allá.
Working in the cold weather. Put the decking on. We got all the trusses up yesterday. Got the subfascia on. They'll have this side decked in an hour. Our trusses are on 2-foot centers. And we got our clips between the trusses. Looking good.